Alright, now I wanna create some pages, actually some empty pages. So to do it, from left hover over on pages, from there just click on add new, and here this pop-up, it's just actually trying to show us how to do it, but I'm here to show you how to do it. Just close it. I'm clicking on this X, and here we can see it in full screen, but I don't like this full screen mode because we cannot see the navigation bar on the left. So to disable it, from right corner click on this vertical 3 dots, and here I'm deselecting full screen mode. Okay, so let's now create our first page. I'm naming this page here home. Now from the top right corner click on publish, then click on publish one more time. Remember, these are just empty pages. We will be creating, we will be designing those pages very soon. For now I'm just creating the empty pages. So the next page, from here pages, let's now click on add new. So here I'm typing about, it would be our about page. Click on publish one more time. Then let's create another page, click on add new, and this time here I'm naming this page services. Click on publish one more time. Then the next page, click on add new, and here I'm typing blog. Click on publish one more time, and then the last page, here I'm naming this page contact. Now click on publish one more time. Alright, now from left under pages, if we click on all pages, here we can see all the pages we have just created. Here is about, blog, contact, home, and services. Also, I will create some single services page, but for now let's keep these pages. And here I wanna start with this home page, but before that I just wanna do one simple setting, because we have given this name home, but technically this is not our home page. Because if I just hover over on our site name, and if I now open our front end, I'm clicking on visit site from a new tab, just have a look here. We can still see blog posts on our main URL, that's gmex.com. Why is that? Because by default WordPress shows all the blog posts on the home page, but I don't want that. I want to create a custom home page, and to make it happen, just go back to our WordPress dashboard. From here let's hover over on settings, and I'm clicking on reading. And here, okay, first let's close this notification. It says your home page displays. I'm selecting a static page, and let's select our home page to the home we have just created, and the posts page I'm selecting blog. Let's now scroll down and click on save changes. If we go back to the front end of our website, and if we just refresh the page, yep, now at least we can understand this is our home page because it says home here. I know at this point our home page is looking super boring, super ugly, but no worries, because we will be making our beautiful home page out of it. So let's now go back to our WordPress dashboard. Now from pages, go to all pages, and here you see this home, it says front page because we have set it as our home page, and this one blog, it says posts page. Alright, so let's now start with the home page. From here click on edit, and then like I said, I want to create our whole page by using Elementor page builder. So from the top click on edit with Elementor.